quick walk around of the T10 Pheonix tillers that we sell at Carver Equipment. We have so many customers that love these tillers, that enjoy them, that have zero issues with them at all. And so I decided, well, let's get one and let's try it out. So we're going to do a quick little walk around of the tiller, and then we're going to show you some footage of it working in a couple of different environments. So let's take a look. All right, I've already got it hooked to the tractor. Has not been used yet. Only thing I've done is check the gear oil, got my shaft hooked up, and got I did have to trim my PTO shaft a little bit for this particular tractor. I had to cut probably 4 or 5 inches off of each end, but got it lined up, made sure there was some wiggle room in there. But as you can see, it's a well-built tiller. This here is a 74-inch model, and I got the reverse tine. This is the reverse tine model. So the tines, instead of spinning backwards, they spin forward and throw it. You get better tillage, better pulverization. The reason that I got this tiller is because I will be using it on my farm for tilling poultry litter. In poultry litter, you need to use a reverse tine tiller. So that is what we're doing. That's what I'm going to use it for. So I've got everything hooked up, adjusted, and just want to do a quick go-around video of it so that you can see it. And yes, you can see that this is the T1074 GE, and this is the reverse tine model. So here we go. After using this tiller, I'm really happy with it. It's done a really good job. The one that I previously had was a Land Pride brand tiller. This one here is very comparable to it. I really like it. I actually like some of the design features on it better than I do the Land Pride. But we're going to do one more test with it. We're going to go inside the poultry house here and till the litter up, and I just wanted to show you a few things before we went in there, and I got it all dirty again. I wanted to show you a few features on it that I think you'll like for your application. Alright, starting here on the side, as you can see, we have a skid plate here. The skid plate is, you have a 3-hole adjustment on your skid plate if you need to set your height for any reason. Of course, you got a greasable bearing here. Your back flap here, you can see. You have your chain here that you can adjust. You know what kind of drag you want, how level you want it. Gearbox, you got your dipstick, you got your access plate on the back of it. Come over to this side again. As I said in the previous video, I believe this tiller is gear driven, so your gears are inside here. You're able to check your oil right here. Again, you've got another adjustable skid plate on the bottom. You got a lot of protection right here for your gearbox cover, which I really like. This gearbox cover is good, thick steel, very, very strong. I like it. You got your kickstand. And the thing that I like most about this tiller, you got this deflector plate right here. Now this tiller is a reverse tine, so your tines are not spinning what we would call forward direction like this and throwing the dirt or throwing dirt or whatever you're tilling under. No, this throws it. This goes in reverse, so it's throwing it up towards the tractor is where it's throwing it. But you got this deflector plate so that whatever you're throwing, if you're in wet dirt, you don't have as much problem, but when you get in something real dry and dusty, it's going to want to throw it back up on your tractor, and you know you're going to be getting dust all over you. So this deflector plate right here is good size steel. It does a really good job of deflecting. You got two, you can pick one or top or bottom mounting hole. These here are adjustable. I did adjust mine just a hair to make it work out really good. So, and you've got your PTO holder. So really good looking machine. Again, this is the Pheonix, made by Sicma, the T1074 GE. Really like it. Let's look at the tines one more time so you can see those. Nice tines on there. Really good machine. I like it. So let's go in the house, the poultry house here. As you can see, the house is full of what we call litter. Dry manure, whatever you want to call it. We call it turkey litter, poultry litter. I'm going to go in here and do some leveling. We've got some litter. We took some litter out, as you can see with this tractor, and there's a spreader behind it, putting it on some fields as fertilizer. Nice use for that. But we're going to get in here and I'm going to show you what it'll do in here. We got through with it. You see what it did inside the poultry house. Did a great job. I'm really happy with it. You know, comparing to running lamb prides and other tillers for many years in these poultry houses, I'm really happy with the way that this Pheonix did. It really performed well, performed right there with the lamb prides and all the more expensive tillers that you can find on the market today. So I'm really happy with this. It did a really good job. Even in there, it was really, that litter was dry, it was dusty. That deflector plate did its job. It did not let the dust and the litter or any debris come back up on me. My clothes, I put my coveralls on. They're not even dusty. My hat's not even dusty. So I'm really happy with that. So all that being said is, do you need a tiller? Are you tired of whatever tiller you got? Maybe you need to add a tiller. Like I said, this is the 74-inch Pheonix. We also have Farm Max models, which are a little more cost-effective than the Pheonix are, ranging from 36-inch compact tillers, all the way up to 120-inch super extreme duty tillers for really big agricultural use. So we've got the tiller to meet your tractor's needs, to meet your farm's needs, whatever you're doing, we've got it here at Carver Equipment. So if you need a tiller, give me a call. And you're not gonna talk to an automated system. You're not gonna have somebody reach out to you in 7 to 10 business days. No, if you reach out, you're gonna reach out to me. I'm gonna get back with you just as soon as I can. If I miss your call, you can text me, you can call me, you can email me, and we will do our very best to serve you. And it doesn't matter if you're close by here in Eastern North Carolina where I am. You can certainly come pick your tiller up, but also whatever state you're in. If you're on the East Coast, if you're in the Midwest or the West Coast, we can certainly ship you the exact tiller that you need or any other equipment that we have. So we look forward to serving you, and please visit carverequipment.com. You can also visit our Facebook page, Carver Equipment, and hopefully you're watching this on YouTube on our farming channel, Sound Mind Farms. So thank y'all for tuning in, and I hope you have a blessed day.